How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect a PlayStation Portal to your television, or is it even possible? Now, as you may have known, the PlayStation Portal is strictly built for PlayStation, though you could connect it to your television, but not in a traditional way. As you may have known, there's no Bluetooth connectivity, there's no HDMI output, there's no screen mirroring for the PlayStation Portal right here. So we could just go ahead and use it normally. You could turn on your PlayStation 5. From there, you then want to connect your PlayStation to the television that you want to simply use. And then right after, you want to connect the PlayStation Portal onto the PlayStation 5 that is connected to the television that you simply want to use. From there, you can then use the television as normal depending on the PlayStation compatibility. So of course, you could basically connect it, but not in a traditional way where you could connect it natively. You simply have to use the PlayStation console right here in order to connect it to the television that you want to simply use. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.